On this saw right here, we've got a ton of extra rope right here because the spring has unwound itself and there's not enough tension for it to pull this back in, the extra rope back in. So you're going to need to take the housing off. We're going to need to retension it. So on this saw, you got to remove the handle, so I've already done that. Lay that aside. You want to take off the recoil housing. They're all different. And see, that's what we got in there. Feed yourself some rope back on through. And take a little X key and pull it through. You want to slide that right there, and it pops right into, you want it to pop right into that little notch right there. And you just want to keep tensioning this. Around and around and around. You're going to need to do this quite a few times, but don't do it too much because you don't want this spring to have too much tension or it's going to just want to break. They get brittle. Alright, that feels right to me. So I'm going to tug that rope on back and grab the other handle and slowly let in. Alright, obviously that wasn't enough, so we're going to retry that. Alright, so I just repeated the processes, and as you can see, it's got great tension and it keeps itself nice and taut. So all that's left to do is put the saw back together and you're done.